Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change download location or download folder location on Samsung internet browser. So if you use Samsung internet browser really well, and I want to change your Samsung internet browser file download location, then here's the video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change location folder on your downloads on internet browser, you need to just go ahead and open the internet browser on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Click on menu at the bottom right, then select settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on sites and download. Once you selected sites and download, locate save download files to and click on that. Then here you should see where your download files are saved. Now to change download location or folder on your Samsung device, you can just come to this top menu, click on the plus button, then to create a new folder. So I'll just name it downloads, then click on create. Then you should see the new folder created. Now go ahead and select the folder and then click on done. Once you hit the done button, you should see save downloaded files to change to download. So whenever you download any files on your Samsung Galaxy phone, then the file will be saved to this directory. You see that? So that is basically how to change download file location or folder on your Samsung Galaxy phone on the Samsung Galaxy internet browser. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.